Hi there and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see layout option in data table. So let's get started with today's video. So first let's see table. Here you can see table with data table. And if I'll show you DB, so here you can see same entries are displayed in my table. So now let me show you code. So here you can see table I'm having, and script you can see jQuery data table. Ajax is called to get the data and all columns are defined. Using layout option you can define at what exactly you want at top and bottom. You can change all these like entries per page, search option, maybe you want to display search option at the starting. So all those things you can handle using layout option. So let's add layout option, and using layout option first I'll be adding, let's say, top start. And top start, let's say I want info is basically showing result out of total number of rows. And then let's say bottom I want pagination, so for that paging is there. So here at the top you can see now showing 1 to 10 of 55 entries, info is displayed, and at the last you can see pagination is displayed, but you can see two times pagination is displayed. So for that we need to pass bottom start and bottom end as null. You can think layout as top start, top will be middle, and top end will be like at the end. Similarly bottom as well. So now you can see two time pagination is not there, so as we have defined as null. Now next let's say top end, let's define as null, and let's see in browser. So you can see search bar is not present there now. Now let's write top as info and top start as null. And now let's check in browser. So now you can see only we have two things, one is info and one is pagination. Other features are not available now. Now let's enable search. So in the top start let's add search, and top end let's say page length. Let's check in browser. So you can see now search is at start and page length is at end, and it's working fine as well. And top you can see showing info that we have added, it's also displayed. You can also control this page length using layout option, so let's do that. So pagination let's pass as object, and inside that it will be menu key, and menu key will hold the values for your drop down. So let's write 10, 20, 30, 40. So let's check drop down, let's change to 30. So here you can see now it's changing and working fine as well. Similar way you can also control other options as well. So let's change search placeholder. So search also pass as object, and inside that key will be placeholder and pass whatever value you want to write. So placeholder, let's say type text here. Similar way you can control for pagination as well. So for paging let's control the buttons, so write key buttons, and after like pass how many wants, 3. So let's see. So now you can see search input is having placeholder type search here. Now let me show you documentation so that you can see all options which are available for you to see. So info you can see how you can apply. So info is having text as well, so whichever text you want to give you can give. So here you can see all the options you have 6 options that you can customize your info. Now if I'll show you page length, so here you can see different ways of using, and you have 4 options to change it. Next is paging. So paging you can see numbers also, you can have false, and other you can see 8 options you have. Now if I'll show you search, so placeholder I have already shown you, and you have other 6 options that you can customize your search. A similar way you can have top 2 start and top 2 end as well, and similarly bottom as well, bottom 2 start, bottom 2 end, keeping same. And let's just see. So here you can see now 2 search, 2 info, and 2 page length we have. So let me show you documentation regarding this. So here you can see top 9 start till you can have. I have shown you till top 2, and similarly you can see how you can all like define and use it. So here in top you can also return your customized one as well. So all you need to do is define it as a function, and let's inside create one div. So that will be like JavaScript type. Let custom text equals to, let's say, document dot create element div. So now let's just write some text. So write custom text dot inner HTML, it will be equals to custom text, and now let's return custom text. So in browser you can see custom text is appearing. So one more option we have in data table legacy DOM option. So if you will see, it provides some shortcuts for same things that we are doing for layout. You can also define div with class name. So now let's see, I'm just copying this example only. Let's first comment this layout option, and now instead of this layout press this DOM option. Now let's save and check in browser, refresh. So here the top info is there. In the bottom you can see search alignment is not there. Let's copy CSS as well. So go to bottom CSS. So copy this CSS and let's paste in our style. So now let's check again. So now you can see alignment is there properly. That's all in this video. I've shown you how you can change layout of your data table in this video. It's a very simple and effective to use if you want to have some limited features in your data table. So that's all. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, then you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.